Yo, what's up, guys? It is another vlog. How you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are good. And yo, we're back. Not much more to say other than yo, shit has been crazy lately, but yo, we're back, so let's get back into things.
Yo, life has been tough. I ain't gonna front. There's been so much things going on, things going wrong, but yo, I made it through, you know what I'm saying? And it feels good to be able to say that, because you never know if some people don't make it through their hardships in life, you know what I'm saying? So I feel blessed to say that, yo, I made it through this crazy time in my life. Still recovering, but still getting through it. So God bless on that end, you know what I mean? So yo, for the past month I haven't had the Black Wolf, and honestly it was some f***ed up shit that went down, but it is what it is. I don't need to touch base about it. Let it be whatever happens, you know what I mean? But I haven't had the whip for such a long time, and I've recently, actually it's been what, 2 days now that I've had the car, so I'm just stoked to be able to be mobile again. Yeah, I'm in the Black Wolf still. You know, we've always been talking about upgrading the car and always been talking about getting something else, and you know, shit just never fell into place for me. But I can't complain about it too much. I just talk about it, learn from it, and move the fuck on. So if you guys are going through anything that you know is out of your control and you feel like it's kind of tearing you down a little bit, just know that it's out of your control sometimes, man. And you just gotta keep your head up to get through it, because those positive times are coming, even though you're drowning in your negatives right now, you know what I'm saying? So right now I am headed to the shop. I got some parts there that I would like to take into this car. I think I'm just going to work on the whip in the underground. Gonna make do with being in seclusion underground, just because I don't really have a garage to work out of. I could work out of here, but as of lately I don't like to do things here. I like to separate my shit from the work shit. So fuck, man, I actually love this whip. Like, it actually looks really good. Right before that it changed to the new style, bruh, I love this whip. I know it doesn't give you all the status and it doesn't perform like BMW and Porsche and all that kind of shit, but yo, it is such a cool ass platform. Like, anybody who's like young and just wants to start out with a whip, like, this is for you, man. This car actually looks really good. I try to keep it cleanish, you know what I'm saying? Like, I still got winter tires on the whip because that's how long I've been down and out, you know what I'm saying? I didn't even get a chance to change my wheels over. So look at this, I didn't even get a chance to change the damn emblem. Like, look how messed up that is, you know what I'm saying? There's so much things aesthetically that I need to fix, but for what it is, it's not bad. Both emblems are kind of fried on it, but it is what it is. Like, I ain't gonna complain too much. The thing has been so good and reliable, minus the issues that I had, but biggest one, and this is what the parts that I got are for, is the sunroof. Shop that I had my car at decided to open the sunroof for whatever reason, and it tore this whole thing apart, and instead of fixing it and putting it back like this, they left it off. And as you can see right here, the glass, let's let it get it focused. Yeah, so this glass right here, water is getting in there and causing it to rust out. So the whole unit is here, and I'm going to change it out myself. So I got that project to do, and that is a part of my, what did I call it again? Resto Revival. Kind of nice. Dark in here. I'm not gonna bother turn on the lights because I'm just grabbing something quick and cut in, but all right. So there's my parts there. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side.
I've been losing friends.
So since the whip is gonna be, like the light is gonna be on and all that for such a long time, I'm probably just gonna disconnect the battery. All right, so the power's off in the whip here. Try to get as much light as possible, but you know, this thing is dope though. It's getting the job done. But I'm gonna pop this bad boy open, get going, make sure everything in there is legit what I need. So yo, I thought this was gonna come with the whole assembly, like the whole piece, like the tray and all that stuff that it sits on, where it like reclines and shit. But it looks like they're just giving me the glass. So dude, you're telling me this was 600 bucks for just glass? You gotta be f***ing kidding me. So yeah, the whole reason why I had to get a whole new glass itself was because you can see that it's bonded right there on the edge. It's literally bonded with the glass. So they say over time it's a defect in the seal, which makes it pop out like this. So looks like I'm just going to be doing a glass replacement today, and that's okay, that's fine. All right, the first order of business is this little thing here. So there's gonna be like a little tab, and you just like push it in and pry it out, and then this Phillips screw is gonna be there. You just loosen that and pop it out. I did it to this side already. Looks like that. Just keep the screw in there, you don't want to lose that. Another one right over there somewhere, just letting it focus. Yep, right there in the corner. And then two on, ah fuck man, I'm gonna lose my Dobby sticker. Anyways, another one right up in there, and another one in the corner. So you can even see the rust up in there building up. Look at that. That's the shit that I had to deal with. There it is. Crazy. According to the forums, it's a T25, I believe, but it could be a T20 as well, so just keep both of them on hand. But I'm gonna start with the T25. So I'm on my last one already, and it's starting to sink in. So just wanted to show you guys that I got 3 bolts out, and that last one is holding it. So remember that the side that you want to put in is the one with the barcode or the stamp on this side here. So I just got to make sure that from this angle, the top left corner is the one that's going to have the stamp of approval when we're applying the new one back. Ready? So I'm just holding it right now in my hand, but it's popping out there. It was a little tricky to prop it out, but I think it's because the rustiness is building up in there and the seals are pretty much shot. So alrighty, so just inspecting the car itself. The track seems to be okay. It's not like rusting or anything like that, so it's a good sign. But there is some remnants, see in there. That's not rust, it's just like rusty surface. And you could even see where some of the soap that I use is caught in here. So maybe the tube was clogged or something. Is that a bug? There's a bug in there. But yeah, there's the tube in there that water's supposed to go into. But yeah, there's some debris in there as well that I would like to clean up, but I don't have a shop vac here right now, so that's kind of annoying. But I think now that I'll be able to open the sunroof, I can clean all this at the shop. I'll go there a little bit later on and clean it. Alright, so here we have new sunroof, old sunroof. I'm just going to inspect it a little bit. I don't have to be too gentle with this one, but look at this, man. Look at that. Horrible. Horrible. It's a really bad design and too much water buildup. So I guess the rust forms from inside and pushes the seal out. That's what it seems like what happens. And then from there on, it just lets water in where it would sit in those crevices that are on the car. So yeah, man, let's swap out the new one. Oh, there's a nasty one down there. It's still a little bit off in my eyes, but even just seeing like this design with it being okay, I guess, like since it's new, and seeing the design of what it looks like, it looks so flawed. Like the glass is still pretty much separate from this weather strip. I thought it would be like over it or something, you know what I'm saying? It looks like water can still get in and seep in. I don't know. Honda doesn't really want to fix it, but I like to fix this shit because, yo, if I'm gonna sell this, I want to make sure to sell it properly for people. I don't want them to get upset over little things, you know what I'm saying? So I just went to button up the final piece, the little plastic cover that goes here, and I didn't take these little guys. I didn't take these little guys out, so make sure you take these out and transfer them over to the new one.
Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding.
All right, y'all. Looks like we're done. Oh. Looks like we're done. I just gotta plug the battery back in, and then moment of truth, we're gonna try out this shit. Normally I would have just gave this to somebody and said, yo, solve it, but as of lately, after the money that I spent fixing up this car, I'm gonna start doing a lot of shit myself. Let's give it some power. Probably gotta do the radio again. Can't remember the code by heart, but moment of truth, let's try out this shit. Yeah, man, I think that's a success. It's opening and closing. Here is kind of like dipping, so I'm not really liking that too much, that it's dipping there. Maybe I should have came up more. I feel like it should be more flush like this side, but it seems like it's all right for now. Seems like a mission success for today. So let's go for a drive with our sunroof open. Ooh. And we can do this now. Oh damn, that shit dirty as hell. Ooh shit. This is a whole ass new car now. Woo. Got the sun beaming in the whip. Shit, I got rust speckles flying everywhere because I probably should have kept it closed just till I vacuum it out, but honestly I'm too excited to have this thing open. Small victories, man, small victories. Oh, shit slapped me in the face.
I know that you're drunk. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty. Don't move around in my house, call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. First things first, let me get that introduction. We on a long road, sail
Hey man, so one thing knocked out and we're gonna be on to the next thing. Oh shit, just one last time. Oh shit, I forgot to clean the window, the glass part, damn. Anyways, mission success for the day. Thanks for riding with me. Remember to break free and let your inner instincts unchain your hidden potential. I might change up the quote a little bit just because a lot of people tend to have kind of tarnish that quote, motherfuckers, but it is what it is. We straight. Yo, I am sweating so bad. Maybe doing the sunroof wasn't the way to go, cause yo, I am sweating so much right now. Like, look at that. You can't see much, but I just wiped my head top real quick. But yo, it's hot, so me I go inside with the AC. Later, see you on the next one.